Torchbeam 3157 LED bulbs. The Torchbeam 3157 LED bulbs are a fantastic addition to your vehicle lighting system. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that these bulbs are worth considering. One of the standout features of the Torchbeam 3157 LED bulbs is their impressive brightness. With a rating of 2600 lumens, these bulbs provide clear and bright illumination, ensuring increased visibility on the road. Whether you're using them as turn signal lights, parking lights, or side marker lights, you can trust that these bulbs will get the job done effectively. Furthermore, the operating life of these bulbs is an impressive 30,000 hours, which means you won't have to worry about frequently replacing them. This longevity ensures that you can enjoy consistent and reliable lighting performance for an extended period.